Hi guys, let me show you how to make callaloo, and if you don't live in Trinidad and cannot find Dasheen Bush, this is going to be the recipe for you. We're going to start in our pot over medium heat, add in oil. I'm sauteing my aromatics. You can skip this step if you wanted to. We have onions, scallions, pimento peppers. You can also add a hot pepper in if you like and remove the seeds. In goes red bell pepper and carrots. Now I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt to help bring out the flavor in those aromatics. Saute until very tender and the onion is almost translucent. Next, we're going to go in with our garlic. So about a tablespoon of garlic, and you just want to saute that until it smells very fragrant. Do not let the garlic get brown or burn. Now I'm going to go in with pumpkin, okra, and I'm adding in some fish seasoning. If you cannot find crab flavor the pot, this works really great. Next, we're going to go in with 1 can of coconut milk, or you can use fresh coconut milk if you have that on hand. And I'm also adding in some powdered coconut milk. Now we're just going to give this a mix. I don't add any water to my callaloo because I prefer more of a thicker callaloo. And in goes baby spinach. Baby spinach, I know you're wondering, but trust me, just like I did in the Dasheen Bush video, this makes really great callaloo. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam and wilt down, and it's going to happen really quick. So just after 5 minutes, this is what it would look like. And you'd go ahead and give it a mix. And once you've mixed it in really well, we'll go ahead and cover it and let it continue to cook until it wilts down and everything in the pot is really tender. Now I'm making a vegetarian version of this, and if you wanted to make it vegan, use real coconut milk and not canned or pack, because there are milk solids in those. So once everything is really tender, you're going to go ahead and use your immersion blender or your stick blender, and we're going to pulse. Now I don't like this to get really fine like a puree, so you pulse it to the consistency you would like it. And all you have to do now at this point is, if you wanted to put in crab, you can at this point, or you could also pre-boil some chicken feet, put it in, or pigtail. I like finishing with a piece of golden ray. You don't have to if you don't like to use golden ray, it's optional. Mix that in. You want to taste and adjust your salt at this point, and then it's ready to be served. So I hope you guys try this. Trust me, it tastes really amazing. If you cannot find Dasheen Bush Bhagi, leave me your comments below.